Alright guys, it is new tool time. Package came. Guess what we're going to be doing a review on now. This is where we got it from. What is this? $100 wine voucher. Oh god. So silly. Finally got it in. Dun, 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 dun. The new Fuel 6-inch angle grinder. Finally, I've been watching this for months, waiting for it to be available in my area. We're gonna review this bad boy. Alright, so it's 4.5 inch to 6 inch discs. Spindle, arbor size is 5/8, RPMs 9,000, length 15 inches. Bare tool weighs 5.3 pounds. Overload protection, yes. Tool-free guard, yes. Anti-vibration handle, check. Oh my gosh, guys, you have no idea how excited I've been to get this. Because we're going to do this 6-inch grinder against the DeWalt FlexVolt 6-inch grinder. Nothing else in the box. Don't mind the fan going in the background, it's hot. It's gonna be 85 degrees here in Minnesota and muggy. Ugh, gross. Comes with a nice handle. This handle is way better than the DeWalt handle. Look at that, anti-vibe. It's got a little rubber boot there. It does come with a spanner wrench. Comes with, this is the 6-inch guard. So I ordered this one from Acme because the one at the Home Depot, this is the lock-on switch. I like that a lot better than the stupid paddle, because the paddle you always drop and break the paddle. Ooh, right off the bat, look at that. It's got that new pop-up feature to remove the thingy-mabob, whatever it's called. I forget what it's called. I'm having a brain fart. Arbor nut. What is this? It's spring-loaded? Oh, it's for the guard. Look at that. Spring-loaded? I don't know how well that's going to work. Alright, let's pop the guard on. Line it up. Push down. Oh, I see. There you go. Sweet. There's the back nut. Alright, we'll try out the Diablo 6-inch metal cutting blade. I really like this lock nut. You don't need tools, it's essentially tool free. Hold it back over, bada boom, bada bing. Pretty slick. Ow, fucker. There. So look at that bad boy. See, this is a lot different than the original Fuel. It has a longer handle and it's skinny, so you can hold it from any direction. Man, I like this a lot. Look at that. I got my high output 3 amp hour battery, new 3 amp. All charged up. Wow, that brake is fast. Watch this. 3 seconds. 1,000, 1,000. 2 second stop. Wow. That's very nice. It's light too. See what the box says. Oh, 3 second brake, 13 amp corded power equivalent. It has the Power State brushless motor, RedLink Intelligent Plus, Red Lithium pack, blah blah blah. Oh, cutting disc. So the disc I have on it now, it stops at 1.5 seconds, flap disc 2 seconds, and the big grinding disc 2.5 seconds. Wow. Just that few seconds I've had it in my hand, I'm very impressed with this. But I also like the DeWalt, so this is going to be a good matchup. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Essentially, I bought this in December of last year, and this is finally available in my area because I had a watch on it in the cart, so anytime it would come available, it would let me know. Because if you went to Home Depot's website and tried to get it, it'd say not available in your area, which is just ridiculous.